Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we start the first qaida, the first lesson of basic qaida. So the first lesson is the alphabets. हमारा पहला लेसन है अल्फ़ाबेट्स. तो हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे कुरान पाक में 29 अल्फ़ाबेट्स हम पढ़ते हैं. तो आज हम इनकी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. पहला क्या है, पहले हम सबसे पहले कुरान पाक को स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम आऊज़ु बिल्लाह पढ़ते हैं. आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम. नेक्स्ट से बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. ओके, अब हमारा पहला लेटर क्या है? The first one letter is Alif. Alif. And how many dots in Alif? No dot. And the next letter is Ba. And how many dots in Ba? One dot on the bottom. And the next letter is Ta. And two dot. Ta have two dot on the top. And next letter is Tha. And Tha is a soft letter, so we read softly. Say Tha. And Tha have three dot on the top. So look, Ba, Ta and Tha have same shape but different in dots. Ba has one dot in the bottom. Ta has two dot on the top. Tha have three dot on the top. So the next letter is Jeem, and Jeem has one dot in the middle, in the tummy. And the next letter is Ha. Say Ha, and Ha has no dot, zero dot. Ha is zero dot. And the next letter is Kha, and Kha has one dot on the top. Look, Kha, what color is Kha? Kha is a green colors, and green colors letters anywhere. So we read the heavy sound green colors letter, because green colors letter is a bold letters, harufe mustaliya letters. So this one is Kha, and Kha has one dot on the top. And the next letter is Dal, and next Dal. Dal and Dal have same shape. Dal has no dot, but Dal has one dot. And the next letter is Ra, and the next Za. Ra and Za have same shape, different in dot. Ra has no dot, but Za has one dot. Next letter is Seen. Say Seen. Different. Sa is a soft letter, Seen is a hard letter. Say Seen. And the next letter is Sheen. Say Sheen. Next, Swad. Dod. Again, Swad and Dwad is a green color letter, so we read heavy sound. Say Swad, Dod. Next letter is Twa, Zwa, Ain. Say Ain. And next, Ghain. Again, green color, heavy sound. Say Ghain. And next letter is Fa. And next, Qaf. Next one is Kaf. Next, Lam. Next one is Mim. And the next one, last line, this one is Noon. Noon has one dot on the top, and one dot on the top is Noon, but one dot down on the bottom is Ba. Anywhere. Okay, and this one is Wow. Say Wow. And the next one is Ha, not Ha. Say Ha. And this one is last one, Hamza. And the last one is Ya. Ya. Same shape, is different shape but same sound. And how many dots in Ya? Two dot on the bottom. Anywhere two dot on the bottom, on the down, so we read Ya. But same two dot on the top, on the up, so we read Ta. Okay, two dot down is Ya and two dot up is Ta. So we complete the first lesson, alhamdulillah, and more practice this lesson, and inshallah we start on the tomorrow next lesson. Okay, Allah Hafiz.